One of the things I want to just show you is how to make your own orange peel powder. And you can use, so I do this with lemons and oranges. Like most everybody has access to oranges, and it's so simple to just make your own orange peel. So you've eaten an orange, and you're gonna eat an orange, and you get two gifts. Mother Earth, man, she is amazing. She throws it down every day for us, doesn't she? And it's like, for me, I like to just honor everything she, for me, it's like just honoring what she gives me, It's like she's gonna give me the peel. The peel is amazing. And so what you do is when you peel your orange, you're gonna slice the peel like that. And again, it's this pith. So this is high in vitamin C. It's a carminative. As you put it on a pan like this, and now you want to put this in the oven on the lowest setting. You're not frying these or cooking these or baking these. I put this in my oven like right before the light turns on. It's below 200 degrees. I put it on the lowest setting, and I just let it in. So the question is, like, how long? I can't tell you that. Like, it takes me about 3 hours, but it depends on the type of orange. It depends on how thin you slice it. It depends on the temperature of your oven. There is no set, like, this is how long it takes. But a whole pan of these takes me about 3 hours on my lowest setting, but I can't guarantee that's how long it's gonna take for you, okay? So you're gonna have to watch it. And you've got your orange peel. So we've made our own orange peel. Let's see, it's interesting. I also have some lemon. These are, oh my God. Oh. Can you smell that? I wish you could smell that. This is Meyer lemon peel. You can't buy that, right? It is so good. But here's what you do. You just take your peels and powder them up. You can make tea with this and drink a digestive support tea. You just get them in here, put them in your coffee grinder, your bullet, your Osterizer, your Vitamix, like whatever blender you've got. This is good. This is going to make some good powder. Okay, and also look at the difference between the purchased powder and the homemade powder. Big difference, right? So this is also when you get your herbal kitchen set up, you realize that, yeah, we're really lucky. We have access to all these herbs that we can just have sent in the mail. But you start making some stuff yourself, and the quality just goes like that. You just get such a higher quality. I mean, okay, the difference in smell between these two is just incredible. It's completely, so when you start saying, what's the best herb? How long does it last? This has probably been, by the time it gets to the grower, the distributor, the store, sits on the store, it's easily a year old, right? There's just no comparison, and you can't buy this fresh. So hopefully getting your herbal kitchen in place with your purchased herbs, you start to just look for one or two things that you can start to grow yourself and process yourself, right? So you can turn this into, add this to your salt. You can make tea with it. Super amazing digestive support.